Hey guys, this is Tasmai and you are watching Tasmai Madhavi YouTube channel. From this video, we will study 9th Standard Maths 1. This is also known as Algebra. In this video, we are going to start 9th Standard Maths. In this video, we will study lesson number 1, Sets. Part first, practice set 1.1. In this part, we will study practice set 1.1. What is meant by set? A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects, such as numbers, letters, or shapes, represented using curly bracket. Means a set is a collection of numbers, objects, letters, or shapes, and it is represented by curly bracket. It is necessary to use curly brackets for representing a set. Otherwise, we cannot get marks. For example, the set E is equals to curly bracket open 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8 dot curly bracket close contains distinct numbers, and each item in the set is called an element. As you can see, here is the example. E means, as you can see, the set of E 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. So it is represented in the curly bracket, and each items in the set is called an element. Means 2, 4, 6 set are the element of even numbers. Various types of sets of number. Now we will study some examples for the various types of sets of numbers. N is equals to curly bracket open 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma dot curly bracket close is a set of natural numbers. Means n is represented as natural number and 1 2 3 are the element of the set n. W is equals to curly bracket open 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma dot curly bracket close is a set of whole numbers. We know whole numbers start from 0 to infinite. Now you might have a question that why didn't we write infinite? Because infinity is not a number. That's why we are not writing infinity. We will put dot. We don't know at what number will the number end. Next, I means integers. I is equals to curly bracket open dot curly comma minus 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma dot curly bracket close is a set of integers. I have already explained what is integers and various types of integers in class 6. The video link I will give in description. Q is a set of rational numbers, means Q is represented as rational number, and R is a set of real numbers, means R is represented as real numbers. Methods of writing sets. There are two main methods for writing the sets. Let's study them in detail. There are two methods of writing set. First, listing method or roster method. This method is also known as roster method or listing method. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in curly brackets. Means we have to write the elements in curly brackets. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. Means the elements of the set are written only one time and they are separated by commas, as I explained you before. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. Means it is not necessary to write the elements sequentially. You can write first two, then one, but all elements should be included in that set. Example, the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as A is equals to curly bracket open 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 curly bracket close. As you can see, they are separated by commas. Or a is equals to curly bracket open 7 comma 3 comma 5 comma 9 curly bracket close. Here also they are separated by commas, but the sequence is changed. It is not important to it write in the order. You can change the sequence, but the element should be necessary. In an element, if an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write the element once only. Means not nece- it is necessary to write the elements once only. Let's us get more clear by an example. Example. In the word remember, the letter R, comma E are repeated more than one time. So the set of letters of this word is written as A is equals to curly bracket open R, comma E, comma M, comma B. So as you can see, we have to write the set of numbers, set of the words. These are the elements of the word remember. R, R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R is the spelling. We have to not repeat the element more than one time. Next, second, role method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of elements but the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or column and return the property of the variable. Let us study this statement with an example. Example, A is equals to curly bracket open. As you can see, this sign, the straight line, as you can see, this is mean as such that, and this sign you can see, this is mean as belongs to. Now let's read this whole statement. A is equals to curly bracket open x such that x belongs to natural number, and means natural number as we studied before. 1 is greater than x and smaller than 10 curly bracket close, and read as set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. Means in this set we have to use some conditions. As you can see here, first condition is that x is a natural number, and second condition is it is between 1 and 10. Next example, b is equals to curly bracket open x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Means we have to write the prime numbers between 1 and 10. Set b contains all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So by using listing method, set b can be written as b is equals to curly bracket open 2, 3, 5, 7. What is mean by prime number? Prime number means the number which comes in one table and the number itself are known as prime number. And 2 is only one even prime number in the number system. Rules. Rules, rule method or set builder form. There are some certain rules for writing this method. Let's study them. A is equals to curly bracket open x such that x is a letter of the word division curly bracket close. Means in the listing method we can write A is equals to curly bracket open d comma I comma v comma s comma o comma n curly bracket close. B is equals to curly bracket open x such that y is a number such that y square is equals to 9, which is the number whose square is 9. It can be minus 3 or 3. C is equals to curly bracket open z such that z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Means we have to find the number whose multiple is 5 and it is less than 30. Means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Listing method or roster method. A is equals to curly bracket open d comma I comma v comma s comma o comma n curly bracket close, as I told you before. Next, B is equals to curly bracket open minus 3 comma 3. As I told before, the squares of y square is equals to 9. C is equals to curly bracket open 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25 curly bracket close. These are the multiples of 5 and less than 30. Now, this is the homework for you. From this explanation, you have to complete this table, and if you want, you can give this answer in the comment section. This image is also available in your textbook. Now, let us solve practice set 1.1. First, write the following sets in roster form. Roster form means listing method. First, set of even natural numbers. How to write a set of even natural numbers in roster form or listing method? You can take any element, any set. I have taken E. You can take any variable, but it is necessary to write the element of the set. Second, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. As we know, there is only one even prime number, which is 2. Now, how to write? You can write p is equals to curly bracket open 2 curly bracket close. You can take any variable. I have taken p. Third, set of negative integers. Now, how to write this in in listing method or roster method? N is equals to curly bracket open minus 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3 comma minus 4. You can take any variable as I told you. 7 basic sounds of sargam sur. If you are a singing student, you may know the 7 basic sounds. If you are not, you must have a basic knowledge. So I have taken variable as s. S is equals to curly bracket open sa, comma re, comma g, comma m, comma p, comma dha, comma ni, and curly bracket close. These are the 7 sargams of the sur. Second main question. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Means we have to write rule method or set builder form in the words. So our first is 4 upon 3 belongs to set of Q. How will we write in the word 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q as we studied before. Second, minus 2 is not belongs to the group N. How we will write minus 2 is not an element of set N. Third, P is equals to curly bracket open P such that P is an odd number. How we will write in words? Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Means this statement means the upper set statement. Means P is a set of all P's that P is an odd number. Next, third question. Write any two sets of listing method and by rule method. This is the homework for you. You can use the previous examples which I have taught you while explaining. Fourth, write the following sets using listing method. First, any months in all months in the Indian solar year. Indian solar year means that Chaitra, Jyeshtha that. So how will we write? A is equal to curly bracket open, Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashishya, Paush, Magh, Falgun, curly bracket close. If it is not asked as Indian solar year, then you can write January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. But it is asked as Indian solar year. So you have to write like this. Next. Letters in the word complement. So how will we write? So first, we will take a variable x. X is equals to curly bracket open c comma o comma m comma p comma l comma e comma n comma t curly bracket close. As you can see, I have not take the variable e repeated because it has already came. Same with m. We have to not take the element more than one time. Set of human sensory organs. Which are the human sensory organs? Nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. That we have to write. Y is equals to nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. Curly bracket. Close. Fourth. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. What are the prime numbers? As I told you before, z equals to curly bracket open 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 curly bracket close. These are the prime numbers. L- Next, names of continents of the world. We know there are 7 continents. Now we have to write in the listing method. How will we write? E is equals to curly bracket open Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America, curly bracket, close. Fifth, write the following sets using rule method. First, A is equals to curly bracket open 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Curly bracket close. From this, you can remember these are the squares of 1 to 10. So how will we write in the rule method? A is equals to curly bracket open x such that x is equals to n square means x is square of numbers a n number. Now the n belongs to the group of natural numbers and is n is smaller and equal to 10 means it is still 1 to 10. Second, b is equals to curly bracket open C 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 curly bracket close. As you can see, these are the multiples of 6. Now, how will we write in the rule method? B is equals to curly bracket open x such that x is equals to 6 multiplied by n or 6n, n belongs to group of natural numbers and n is smaller than 9 means till 9 multiple it is there but we have to not write the ninth. Third, c is equals to curly bracket open s m I l e curly bracket close. C is equals to curly bracket open y such that y is a letter in the word smile means it is the letter of the word smile curly bracket close. D is equals to curly bracket open Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, curly bracket close. How will we write in the rule method? D is equals to curly bracket open Z such that Z is a day of a week means these are all the days of the week. Next, x is equals to curly bracket open a e t curly bracket close. As you can see, it is the word of eat. So how will we write? Solution: x is equals to curly bracket open y such that y is a letter in the word eat or tea. It can be formed as T also. I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we will see practice set 1.2. That will be the part for you. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Stay tuned.